the spear of life. The knife, make a little handlebar out of it. It's pretty dangerous. Don't run up on them banditos.
All right, so this is day 2 of this single episode. The last one we fit the hatch, and today we're going to be adding on these little plate pieces, which will make more sense in a second once we're done it. And sanding, test fitting the hatch again once those are on. Sanding the hatch, taillight panels, and the BRE spoiler, and clearing them all. Some stuff will get regular clear and some stuff will get matte clear. So all I did was take this little chopstick and add a little tape so it's at the correct height. I'm adding this piece of carbon in here. And basically what this is gonna do is cover the piece of the trunk I had to cut out for the X bracket that holds the wing a little sturdier. And once we wrap the last sheet of carbon over this quarter, we'll actually wrap it around here too. And the reason I have the chopstick in there is because I want, once you wash the car or once it rains on it, which probably the water's gonna run down this channel, and I don't want it to stop here if I epoxy it all the way full. So I'm gonna epoxy it and pull the chopstick out. That's the plan. And it's got a little bevel on the back half of it. And this is all ground down in here and that's ground down in there, so.
Now that you're complete. That thing is just crazy light.
Now you can see why I did this.
Ah.
Yeah. So this gets bolted in there. And then this obviously bolts to the wing uprights. It's all aluminum, so it's super light, but it's solid core, so it's pretty strong. The last thing I'm gonna do is just trim. I'm gonna trim the edges of this down a little bit so the BRE spoiler can slide a little closer. And then we'll start sanding stuff to get really clear. I have to make something to, since this side is now, since it's cut so far up, this one doesn't want to sit at the same plane, but I'll make something to bolt this in there. All right, so now that we've test fit everything, we're going to start sanding it to here. I'm just using a soft pad. You could probably use like 8, but there's no base coat involved or anything like that, so clear covers up 600 pretty well.
What are you gonna use for this? I guess for the creases.
Yeah, so I'll probably still use 6, but you just wanna like make sure you don't gouge it with your thumb too hard, but like lightly hand sand it. This sander's not gonna be able to really get in there. So all of this stuff's gonna have to be hand sanded. This I could probably use a DA. Probably use a DA on all of these pieces.
Just with a soft pad?
Yeah.
And we'll refer to soft pad as literally a pad that's soft.
Versus this guy that's harder. And these two door handle guys are gonna go gloss, as well as the trim for the taillights.
Okay.
So everything else, these guys are going matte, and the hatch is going matte. But so these will just be like little accents. Because against that matte door, And then also the gloss back would be a nice contrast.
Can I grind now? Let me just grind these pieces.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute, and then I'll be done grinding.
Okay, so the reason that we clear everything again is because gel coats, I don't care what gel coat it is, it doesn't have the same UV resistance as automotive clear coat. So just like this customer of ours bought a $3,600 Veris hood for his Evo 10 and brought it to us to have it cleared along with some other small parts. But yeah, the same reason why we're clearing stuff. Like all of my taillight covers and the handle things were already all clear, but the problem was that the UV resistant qualities of the gel coat were not going to be up to par, and it would eventually yellow out or do that hazing thing it does. And then it could permanently damage your parts. It's really hard to get them back from that. So brand new pieces, clear them. You should clear them.
Man, I'm gonna bless you with that knowledge. How to tape your stuff down.
Yep.
You didn't know. Now you know. Tape jobs with Tim.
TJ is with 10. It's just literally so it doesn't blow away. You got 30 psi of air and paint coming at it, and it doesn't. Especially these guys.
Especially how light they are.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Going anywhere. Those guys are taped down. This is all the stuff that's getting gloss cleared. That'll be matte, and that'll be matte. So I'm gonna do the matte first, because if any of the haze from the overspray of the gloss clear gets on the matte, it's not really gonna matter. But vice versa, it wouldn't matter. So wax and grease remover, or prep sol, whatever you wanna call it.
Clean up all the micro particles of dust.
And any oil from your hands, because oil from your hands or any type of oil will make the clear fisheye.
That's what you consider like orange peel, I guess.
No, fisheye is like a low spot where the solvents in the paint react to the oil, and it literally is like a divot in.
But yeah, I guess when using the wax and grease remover, like don't load it down.
Well, so wipe it once with like a wet towel, and then come back with it with a dry towel. Once it fully dries, it'll leave some streak marks like this. See how this is still drying right here? Once it's fully dry, then wipe it down with another. You can also use one of the tack cloths that we explained earlier in the wing video. Clearing the wing.
We did talk about that.
Yeah, that'll take a lot of it out too, but it can relieve residue. So make sure you don't want to touch it again. Once you wax and grease remove it, then
that's it.
Try not to touch it, yeah, just because then you're putting more of your hand grease back on it.
It's like a chemistry session.
Now I'm gonna go spray this real quick, then I'll come right back, mix the regular clear, spray it, and I'll be back.
Touche. Well, where'd this come from?
This is coupe.
Good amount of work.
Straight body. hard to find, especially for $500. Yes, that ain't.
Woo! Here we go again. Another build.
$500 pickup.
Pouch rust that was down here.
What are you about to do to this?
I am about to transfer everything in the hatch into here so I don't have to fight aligning it, figuring out why it won't drive straight. So.
He attempted stitch welding all this shit too.
Yeah.
Well, okay, I'll say he stitch welded. But
I'm gonna say
it doesn't look like great penetration,
just-
but you know, it's better than
it's
whatever.
better than nothing.
Yeah.
You know? Oh, we're not starting
I got
this.
some brand new good latches you can have.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
240 galore. Oh no, I don't fit in. I only got my S2000.
Where's the car?
Missed it, man.
Wait, what do you mean I missed it? Where'd he go?
Guys pulling around to the other bay door.
Oh, in the truck. Is it a hoopty?
Yep.
Is it?
But it's not bad.
It's a hoopty, but it's not bad. Pick one.
In between.
I mean, it's got wheels, it's rolling.
Works, and I'm slamming it on its nuts, and I'm doing like aggressive canards, fat wing.
So this isn't going to be your drift car. This
Wait,
is
you're not
more-
about to park
Oh, it's
it?
gonna be my drift car.
Are you about to park it for a while?
Nah, I do. Once I have time, I'm gonna start taking everything out the red car and just transferring it over.
everything from here. Going in there.
Look at them Azules. At least I got some handcuffs. Yeah, that came with it. Special brakes, they just don't use rotors or pads. Just use your imagination. How you look underneath? How bad is the rust?
No rust underneath, only this side where excessive makes them out. Or
You can replace all the
but it's only one side, that side's fine.
Engine bay is painted purple.
You got a bad fender. I know. It's a paint puddle. Puddle gang.
Puddle gang strong.
This is just stock struts.
Yeah, there's stock everything.
No rotors, but who cares?
Brick almost killed me.
He's gonna paint the bay before he puts his 1U from the hatch in that.
Did he say what color he's painting it?
Purple engine bay.
Gonna pop the doors? Oh. Ooh, it's probably hella hot.
63 degrees Celsius.
AKA 100 something. Should I close this or leave it open?
Close it.
Alright, let's make it quick before she overheats.
Oh, you already.
Alright.
Alright, so hatch is all matte cleared. The BRE Spoiler, which is cut into 3 pieces, is now matte cleared.
And if y'all can't figure out why he cut it in 3 pieces, stick around. He'll show you when he mounts it.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, well, at the beginning of this episode, you would have seen it.
Yeah, but they still asked. Now you know.
And then all of this stuff has been gloss cleared with clear coat. So it's now UV resistant and stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this episode at least. So we got hatch and a bunch of other carbon stuff cleared.
And it's hot as hell in here, so we're gonna make it quick. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think.
We out.
Adios. See you later. Jesus. P.S. We'll be mounting all of this in the next episode. And what up?
No, it's not true. In the next episode, we're doing last carbon piece on the roof and quarters.
Sneaky son of a gun. Make sure y'all stick around for them after credits, because that's where you're gonna find out updates, secrets, little behind the scenes, behind the scenes. Y'all understand that comment once you see the next episode. All right, I'm done now, for real.
Yeah. So if you
super hot now. What?
if you
Literally
thin it
started
out-
getting really hot.